have collected quite a lot of drives, yet I still run out of space for my videos and photos. My dream setup would be a NAS, something that I can access remotely over the Wi-Fi, but it's outside of my budget and overkill for me right now. So instead, I bought the ACASIS Dual-Bay Enclosure. I'm pairing with the 12TB hard disk drive, and I was using an old 1TB my wife had lying around. Let's set it up. In the box, the power cable, USB-C, and screws. To open it, remove the 2 bottom screws and pull the rubber handle. Inside, you have 2 bays and a RAID switch. I'm installing the 12TB Barracuda Pro and an old 1TB drive. Installing is very simple. Slide them in unit, they connect, then secure them with the screws. For the switch, I chose JBOD, the default one. This lets my computer see the drive separately. After that, slide the case back on and tighten with the screws. Now let's connect it with the computer. Plug in the power cable, connect the USB-C. Yeah, that one, the little one, to go to the little one, you see that? Yeah. Press the power button on the back. There we go, you see the light there? If you are using brand new drive, your computer will ask you to format them. I have already done that, so I will straight to showing you how it performs in video editings and file transfers. After 6 months, I'm happy with it. The speeds are solid with the price. Here are interesting part. I compared this hard disk drive with my 2TB NVMe SSD, this one. On the paper, there is no contest. As you can see in the speed test, SSD is over 10 times faster. However, in the real world use of my experience, the hard disk drive wins on reliability. When editing in Premiere Pro, the experience feels similar, but sometimes the SSD even randomly disconnects when it overheats, which is super frustrating. This hard disk drive, yes, it is slower, but it is stable, it doesn't crash, and it doesn't reject. There are 2 downsides that I don't love. One is noise. You can hear that go up now. It can get loud, especially with the older drive spinning. Second, sleep mode. It goes into sleep mode about 10 minutes of inactivity. It wakes up quickly though, but still something to note. Is it worth buying in 2026? I would say yes, if you need reliable storage for your photos and videos and other files. You want something compact, portable, and affordable. But if you have bigger budget and need more storage, your team and your family need access remotely elsewhere in the world, then a 5-bay NAS is the ideal setup. And honestly, that would be my dream setup too. Thanks for watching.